This is how I like to clean up the corrosion that builds up on my solder lines and get them nice and clean and shiny again. Some supplies you're going to need are steel wool, carnauba wax, Q-tips, a microfiber cloth, black patina, and whiting powder. And I do offer a few of these on my website at reneestainedglassworks.com if you're interested. So we're going to start off by using our steel wool. I like to use the quad grit, and wherever I see corrosion built up on my solder lines, that's where I'm going to scrub, and I'm going to try to scrub all of that off. Next, I like to take my whiting powder, and I'm just going to sprinkle this over my piece. And I like to use the whiting powder because it helps get any residual oils off of the glass. It helps to clean really tightly up against the solder lines and get any flux that we might have missed that's helping to contribute to the buildup on our lines. So I do like to go in with my whiting powder and just scrub. This alone will make your piece shine. And I'm just going to do this all over my bird, and I'm going to do it until there's no more whiting powder left and it's all shiny. Now it's time to patina our piece, and you'll see that I'm applying mine with a toothbrush. I get the toothbrushes from the dollar store. I think they come in like a pack of 3. So this is what I'm using, and we're just going to go over our entire piece and repatina. I'm just going in and drying off my piece and getting it ready for the next step. Now we're going to go in with our wax. I'm using the Leva stained glass polish. You can use carnauba wax or whatever wax you use to finish your stained glass pieces with will work. And so I'm just doing a little spot at a time with a little bit on my rag. And we're just going to pick a spot and we're going to clean. And we're going to wipe. And really, we're going to keep wiping until it wipes clean. And this is going to take a while. And I'm just going to keep checking my rag to see how clean it is each time. And when it comes out clean, that's when you move on to the next spot. Now, if this dulls your black patina more than you would like, I suggest that you leave it on a little bit longer before you do the polishing phase of this. Maybe let it sit on there overnight. Sometimes I'll patina, dry it off, just let it sit overnight and then come back in the morning and do the polishing part. It does seem to make a difference, but honestly, I'm very happy with the way this comes out. It really did not dull it. It's pretty shiny and nice after. You'll see the finished product afterwards, but that's my best advice for that. However, this step is important. The cleaning until your rag is clean is very important, because this is what's going to keep your lines looking pristine. It's not going to allow any corrosion to build up. You're getting all that residue off of there, all that oil, and it really does make a difference. I mean, look how it shines. It's beautiful. In those little tight corners, that's where I like to use my Q-tip and get in there and clean those. And again, you're just going to keep wiping till it's clean. So that's it, guys. It came out beautiful. Very happy with it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it helps you. And again, you can find some of these supplies on my website, reneestainedglassworks.com. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. It helps my channel grow. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out or leave them in the comments below. Have a great day, everybody.